Breathe in, stop the clock. I'm close to you. I'm here with you. Let go of all that bad time.
Dapat nating alalahanin kung gayon na ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng ating Panginoong Diyos para sa kapakinabangan at kaligayahan ng mga taong kanyang nilalang. Itinuro ng ating Panginoon Jesucristo na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng ating Panginoong Diyos ang lalaki at babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa. At ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa kundi isang laman.
As long as you stay with me, giving you all my heart. I'm giving you all my love. Now I'm telling you I love you for that you are. Love you for that you will be.
I promise to love you with the same certainty that brought us back to each other. I promise to choose you in every season, in heavy moments, and the beautiful ones. I promise to honor our past, cherish our present, and build a future worthy of our love. You are the love of my life, and today and always, I choose you.
시간들을 마주하며 안아주고 싶어. In a beautiful way, in a beautiful way.
Dapat mahalin ng mga lalaki ang kani-kanilang asawa. Tulad ng sarili nilang katawan, ang lalaking nagmamahal sa kanyang asawa ay nagmamahal sa kanyang sarili. Walang taong namumuhi sa sarili niyang katawan bagkus ito'y pinakakain at inaalagaan gaya ng ginagawa ni Kristo sa iglesia.
My universe 날 데려가 줄래 나의 이 가난한 상상력으론 떠올릴 수 없는 곳으로 저기 멀리 from Earth to Mars 꼭 같이 가줄래 그곳이 어디든 오랜 외로움 그 반대말을 찾아서
You are my strength, my comfort, and the man my heart chooses again and again. As we step into our life as husband and wife, I promise to stand with you through every joy and every challenge, to support your dreams as if they are my own, to comfort you, to laugh with you, to grow with you, and to love you endlessly. This is my vow to you, today and always. With all my love, your wife, Rachel.
Love is a love is a love 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 비련에게서도 많죠 run on 나와 저 끝까지 가줘 my lover 일부러 나란히 길을
Ama, maraming salamat po. Sumasampalataya po kami. Iginawad mo na pong yung mahalagang basbas sa bago mag-asawang narito. Ang magandang kapalaran, patuloy mo pong ibibigay sa kanila. Ang lahat sa pangalan po ng aming Panginoong Heso Kristo.
Stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Oh. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God.
Pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalay ng tao.
Beautiful things that I've got.